tower, information Victor, 1847 Zulu, wind 110 at 6, visibility 10, view clouds at 7,000, temperature 18, dew point 9er, altimeter 29er, visual approach and use, runway 13 left, landing departing, runway 13 left, runway 13 right, advise on initial contact, you have information Victor.
We're just gonna go VFR. We won't even request flight following. We're going to Hollister, and then you'll do your landing or practice landing there, and then we'll pick up an IFR in the air to Monterey. Read ground. This is Twin Cessna 799er Victor Delta with information Victor at Discovery Air. For south departure.
Twin Cessna 799er Victor Delta, read ground, runway 13 left, taxi via Zulu.
13 left, via Zulu, 9er Victor Delta. For those of you who don't know, there is a push from the local government to close Reed Hillview Airport down. What they don't realize is that Reed Hillview Airport is vital to the safety of San Jose general area. It's been used many times to fight the crazy fire season that we've been having. Okay, let's do our ground check. Alright, brakes hold. That's me. Alright, let's confirm I checked everything. Alright, so I set the throttles to 1700. I did the alternator check. I did the mags, left and right, left engine, left and right, right engine. I did the prop 3 times. I checked the vacuum pressure. I checked the oil temperature and the throttles. Reed Tower, Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta is ready to go.
Twin Cessna 9 Victor Delta, line up and wait, runway 13 left.
9 Victor Delta, line up and wait, 13 left.
Runway 13 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 13 left, clear for takeoff. There goes the RPM, there goes the manifold pressure, and there goes the fuel flow. Everything's good.
Cessna 213 Alpha November, read tower, cross runway 13 left, hold short of runway 13 right.
Airspeed is live.
Runway 13 right, 213 November.
90. Tap the brakes. Positive brake, here come up. Got some birds over there, I'm going to turn to the left here.
Cessna 408 Lima Bravo, VDV Tower, runway 13 left, clear for takeoff. 13 left, clear for takeoff, Cessna 408 Lima Bravo.
That's what the bird said.
Cessna 3 Alpha November, make right close traffic, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff. 13 right, clear for takeoff, 213 November.
5-minute blue line, gear up. Alright, 1,000-foot check. We bring the throttle, manifold pressure back down to about 25-ish. Bring the prop back to 25. Got it, prop back to 25.
Tower, make left close traffic, runway 13 left, clear for takeoff.
13 left, left coast traffic, ready to take off. 13 left, clear for takeoff.
That looks good. Still climbing a blue line. Alright, here we go. Put it back to 30 for cruise climb. Throttles back up to 25. You can actually feel the power as I put it back in.
Yep.
So I'm going to bring back the RPM. Sorry, the manifold pressure. About 21-ish. Now I'll bring back the RPM to 23. Back the other propeller back to 23. This up to about 20-ish. Turning on the Kyla pilot. Boop. to fly, I guess to the left of those runways, and then we'll come around and make a left. The other runway is this way.
So how come you don't pull the throttle out if you're descending?
I did.
Oh.
Where I had it at 21, now we're 19.
So I'm right about 25 right now.
Hollister traffic, this is twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, approximately 7.5 miles north of the airport for left traffic on runway 26. Hollister traffic.
Okay.
So we want to stay to the right of the big runway,
Okay.
and then we're going to swing and just make a left.
Wind 250 at 8 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition broken at 1,800. Temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 9 Celsius. Altimeter 3000. Inches of mercury.
Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is about 2 miles north west of the airport. Going to cross in front of the departure end of runway 24 and enter left traffic for runway 24 Hollister traffic. Pumps on. Gas is on full tanks. And we are slowing up, but I'll give us so. For the flaps.
Yeah,
and
whoa.
also climb. You want to stay, you descend a little bit.
I want to descend. I'm
No,
at
we want to
1,000.
stay high.
Yeah.
You're going to come down. Prop is going to come full forward.
Whoa. Now I'm back at 1,200.
Now go to your left. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is entering a left downwind for runway 24. Hollister traffic. 3 greens, 1 in the mirror, gear down. Boost pumps on. Mixtures at 2, props full forward. Pre-landing checklist complete. Alright, so let's do a little 45 out there. Go a little bit more to the right. That's good. Alright, full flaps. Push forward a little bit. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is going to be extending our left downwind for runway 24, Hollister traffic. Alright, let's go ahead and turn to the left and just keep it coming around. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is now turning a left base for runway 24, Hollister traffic.
Am I supposed to be looking at the runway or just like
keep
turning until I see it?
Yeah, you're supposed to turn until you see it, but keep turning. Keep it to the left, you're good. This is good, now just keep it coming around. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is on final for runway 24, Hollister traffic. Alright, so I'm gonna bring back the throttle for you here.
Am I supposed to just press it
Yeah,
up?
you're descending now. Alright. So we want to go a little bit to the right.
Yeah.
Everything's good. Gear is down. Pumps are on.
Am I descending too fast?
You want to descend it. Yeah, we're at blue line, so we're good. So this is what we want to do. Alright, go to the left a little bit. Okay, nose down. Throttle up.
4 throttle?
Yep.
Is that too much?
It's a bit much, but that's fine.
Sorry.
We'll keep it. That's good. We'll keep it. Alright, throttle out.
Yes.
Yep, best throttle. Nose down.
You
Gear
should
down.
probably rescue me, Dave.
Alright, my plane.
Okay, okay.
That was a nice one. Good setup. It was a little rushed because we were essentially it's such a short flight. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is taxiing on the crossing runway just for a moment, and then we're gonna taxi clear. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta, clear of runway 24. Hollister traffic. That's pretty good. Not bad at all. Fun, right?
Fun if you don't think about the fact that if you actually screw up, you would actually up somebody's body pretty seriously.
Yes.
And the plane.
There is always that problem with flying. If you screw up, it's generally pretty bad. Very, very good point.
There's like a whole lot of nerves with just the knowledge of that.
Uh-huh.
There's no room for failure.
Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta, gonna do a south departure from runway 24, Hollister traffic. Pumps on. Gas is on full tanks. Two, props are full forward. Pitch step roll, make sure it's throttle prop. Identify, verify, feather. Ready. Builds everywhere.
Did you
Manifold pressure up. Flaps up.
trim for takeoff? Because we hit the down. There's a bird directly in front of us.
Hit. Airspeed is alive. Pulling back. Avoiding the bird. Tap the brakes. Here come up. Positive rate. You know what? I think we're gonna make a start. Hollister traffic, 9 Victor Delta is actually gonna make a north departure, Hollister traffic. I don't want to go all the way back. See that hole? Aim for the hole. That hole right there?
I see it.
Yeah. NorCal approach, twin Cessna, 799 Victor Delta with request.
799 Victor Delta, NorCal approach, going to altimeter 3001 to your destination.
This is 9 Victor Delta. We'd like to go IFR to Monterey, and we're about 7-8 miles north of Hollister Airport.
9 Victor Delta, squawk 4605, maintain VFR.
Squawk 4605, maintain VFR, 9 Victor Delta.
651401, contact NorCal approach 124.8.
24, big strike 1401, good afternoon.
9 Victor Delta, you are radar contact 8 miles northwest of the Hollister Airport, 3,500. You can proceed to Monterey VFR for now and start your VFR climb to at least 5,000 if you can.
9 Victor Delta, proceed to Monterey VFR, climb to 5,000. So climb to 5,000 is our new number. Alright, so just fly the magenta line here. We're direct. And we're climbing.
3270.
I forgot to turn the Kyla pilot on. Bloop. Good job, Kyla pilot. So, back.
9 Victor Delta, information, Quebec is current for the Monterey Airport. Did you have an approach request?
So 9 Victor Delta, yeah, can we get the 28 left GPS Yankee approach?
9 Victor Delta, you are cleared to the Monterey Airport via direct to Hicksar for the RNAV Yankee, climb and maintain 5,000.
So 9 Victor Delta, cleared to the Monterey Airport, 5,000, and what am I going direct to?
9 Victor Delta, direct Hicksar for the RNAV Yankee.
Direct to Hicksar, 9 Victor Delta. Alright, so direct to Hicksar. Alright, we're at
9 Victor
5,000.
Delta, maintain 5,000.
9 Victor Delta, 5,000. So you gotta get down.
I saw, I was trying to do it, but I'm not very fast about it.
9 Victor Delta, contact NorCal approach 127.15.
127.15, 9 Victor Delta. NorCal approach, this is twin Cessna, 799 Victor Delta, 5,000 for Hicksar.
799 Victor Delta, NorCal approach, 3001, yes, Quebec.
9 Victor Delta, roger.
Ceiling 1,700 overcast. Temperature 16, dew point 10, altimeter 3000. RNAV GPS Yankee, runway 28 left, approaching use. Landing and departing, runway 28 left and 28 right. We're 9 Victor Delta, reducing to 120 knots or less.
9 Victor Delta, reducing to 120 less.
How come you don't have a line here?
We're on radar vectors now.
We're 9 Victor Delta, 8 miles from 6R, turn right direct 6R, maintain 5,100 to establish on the final approach course. Cleared straight in, RNAV Yankee, runway 2 left approach.
9 Victor Delta, maintain 5,000 until established on the approach direct Hegstar. And cleared for the 28 left approach, 9 Victor Delta. Alright, approach 9 Victor Delta established.
We're 9 Victor Delta, enter contact Monterey Tower.
Monterey Tower, 9 Victor Delta. Monterey Tower, this is twin Cessna 79 Victor Delta on the 28 Yankee approach.
Twin Cessna 799 Victor Delta, Monterey Tower, we're 28 left, continue.
9 Victor Delta, 28 left, continue. Bumps on. Gas on full tanks. 2. Drops full forward.
Twin Cessna 9 Victor Delta, we're 28 left, clear to land, 1 departure, approach arrival to Mooney at midfield.
9 Victor Delta, 28 left, clear to land, and we'll look for that Mooney when we see it. Right on glide slope.
Bay 532, can you make Lima? Looks like we can make Lima on Bay 532. Bay 5.
Monterey Tower, 9 Victor Delta, cloud tops, we're at 3,200.
Thank you. Twin Cessna 9 Victor Delta, I do have traffic just joining a 1 8-mile file behind you is a Challenger 6,600 descending, indicating 220 knots.
9 Victor Delta.
They know we can't see that.
I think he's probably telling us, go faster, please.
I might be starting to see land down there.
That's
Might be
good.
close to the bottom. Is it windy here?
Must be.
22 Tango, straight right, turn on the Monterey 5, contact northbound approach, have a good flight. We are 1 Bravo Delta, let's have you hold short right to your left, traffic on a 4-mile file of Twin Cessna, as soon as they land, I'll get you out. Alright, hold short, 2 left, home Bravo them. Cessna 9er Victor Delta, left turn at Kilo, please, and contact me on ground with your taxi request.
9er Victor Delta, left turn at Kilo. Contact ground.